is Dr. Matthew Durham from Abbeville Family Healthcare. If you need to get in touch with us for a free consultation to see if we can help you out, you can call us here at the office at 366-7777 or check us out on the web at abbevillefamilyhealthcare.com. The next thing we want to look at as things you'd want to consider before consulting a chiropractor is access to massage therapy. I believe that massage therapy has a ton of therapeutic benefit and can really help people out in a lot of different situations. So we have a great massage therapist here on staff with us, and she's available for appointments as needed and works by appointment, and she does a great job and has helped out a lot of our patients through the years with different muscular parts of their condition, and as well as just relaxing, stress busting kind of massage techniques as well. So we think it's important to have massage therapy as an additional service in our office, and so we have a great massage therapist in Miss Sharon King. She's a licensed massage therapist and does a great job for all of our patients and others as well. So if you have any health concerns you'd like to see if we could help you out with, just give us a call at 366-7777, as well as on the web at abbevillefamilyhealthcare.com. Thanks for watching our video.